Good afternoon. In last lecture, I have discussed the different types of microbial contamination, and second, that is the assessment of microbial contamination and the spoilage. Today, we will see the next point of our syllabus, that is the preservation of pharmaceutical product by using an antimicrobial agent. That is the preservation of pharmaceutical product or the preservation of pharmaceutical product by the use of antimicrobial agent. Generally, the question asked in examination likewise explain a role of antimicrobial agent as a preservative, or what is antimicrobial agent, and explain preservation of pharmaceutical product, or the what are the factor affecting preservative efficacy. I am repeating. Generally, the question asked in examination, the explain role of antimicrobial agent as a preservative, or what is antimicrobial agents, and explain preservation of pharmaceutical product, or what are the factors affecting preservative efficacy. So what is preservative? It is a natural or synthetic chemical that is added into the product like food or any pharmaceutical formulation in order to prevent the decomposition by microbial growth, and which increases the shelf life by killing the contaminant. Yes, the preservative is a natural or synthetic chemical that is added into the formulation of the product, for example, food or any pharmaceutical formulation, in order to prevent the decomposition by a microbial growth, and which increases the shelf life of formulation by killing the contaminant. And another definition of preservative: a preservative is a natural or synthetic chemical that are added into the foods, any pharmaceutical formulation, paints, biological samples or woods, etc., in order to prevent the decomposition by by microbial growth or by a undesirable chemical changes. Then the preservatives are the substances that are commonly added into the various foods and pharmaceutical products in order to increase or in order to prolong their shelf life. Then the addition of preservative to such formulation of the product, especially those have higher water content, is essential for avoiding alteration and the degradation by microorganisms during the process of storage or during the storage. Then the preservative are put in foods to inhibit the growth of bacteria, then inhibit the growth of yeast, also the inhibit growth of mold that can cause any disease. Then the chemical preservation cannot totally keep product from spoiling, but they slow the spoiling process caused by microorganisms. Here the chemical preservation cannot totally keep the product from spoiling, but they slow the spoiling process which is caused by microorganism. Then frozen and canned foods often do not contain any preservatives, and processed food are food that are put through a process to kill harmful bacteria that may form in the food. These processes are supposed to be helpful to the products, but they can also be add a harmful substances. Then there are few ideal properties of preservative. First, it should not be irritant. And second, it should not be toxic. Then third property, it should be physically as well as chemically stable. Then next, it means the preservative, it should be compatible with other ingredient of formulation. Then it should have good antimicrobial activity. Then it should have wide antimicrobial spectrum. Then it should be effective in small concentration, or in short we can say that it should be potent. It means in small concentration it shows higher activity, that is potent. Then it maintains the activity till use by the patient, or it should be maintain the activity throughout the product manufacturing or the product shelf life or the uses. Then there are different classification of antimicrobial agent. There are different types of antimicrobial agent. First, acidic antimicrobial agent, then neutral antimicrobial agent, mercurial and quaternary. There are different classification of preservative of the antimicrobial agents. The first classification which is based upon the mechanism of action. The classification based upon mechanism of action. First, that is antioxidant. Second, antimicrobial agent. Third, chelating agent. We will see one by one. First, that is antioxidant. So these are the agents which prevent the oxidation of any active pharmaceutical ingredient, that is your API, which otherwise undergo the degradation due to the oxidation as they are sensitive to the oxygen. For example, vitamin E, vitamin C, then capital BHA and BHT. So what is BHT? Butylated hydroxytoluene. And what is BHA? Butylated hydroxyanisole. See here, capital BHA, that is butylated hydroxyanisole, and what is BHT? That is butylated hydroxytoluene. Then next, that is antimicrobial agent. These are the agent which active against the gram positive as well as gram negative bacteria or the microorganism which causes the degradation of pharmaceutical preparations and which are active in small inclusive level. For example, benzoates, sodium benzoate and sorbates. Then third, chelating agents. These are the agents which form a complex with pharmaceutical ingredient and prevent the degradation of pharmaceutical formulation. For example, the example of chelating agent, EDTA, that is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, then citric acid and polyphosphate. The next classification which is based upon source. First, natural preservative, and second, artificial preservative. In natural preservative, it means these are the drug which are obtained by natural source, that are plant source, mineral source, or the animal source. Example of this natural preservative: neem oil, salt, that is sodium chloride, lemon and honey. I am repeating the examples of natural preservative: neem oil, salt, that is sodium chloride, lemon and honey. Then what is artificial preservative? These are man-made these are prepared by chemical synthesis, and these are active against by various microorganisms in a small concentration. It means it is potent. Examples of artificial preservatives: benzoates, sodium benzoate sorbates, propionates and nitrates. These are the few examples of artificial preservative.